What if I told you that your body already contains a hidden biological system that can reactivate stem cells, improve regeneration, and even shift your metabolism from fat storage mode into fat burning mode, and most people over 60 are unknowingly keeping it switched off every single day? Stay with me because what you are about to hear challenges the traditional understanding of aging. For decades, we have been told that aging is simply a process of decline, that energy drops, healing slows, fat becomes harder to lose, and the body gradually breaks down over time. But modern scientific research suggests something far more interesting and far more hopeful. Aging is not only about damage, it is also about the loss of biological signals that tell the body to repair itself. Inside your body, stem cells still exist even at older ages, but instead of being fully active, they become dormant, like they are in a sleep state inside your bone marrow, tissues, and organs waiting for the right conditions to wake up again. And the important thing is that this is not controlled by a single magic switch, but by a combination of biological signals that influence metabolism, inflammation, hormones, and cellular repair systems. Your body is constantly shifting between two major states. One is storage mode, where energy is conserved, fat is stored, and repair slows down, and the other is repair mode, where the body activates cleanup systems, increases regeneration activity, and uses stored energy more efficiently. What determines which state you are in is not random, but your daily lifestyle signals such as when you eat, how you sleep, how much you move, your exposure to stress or cold, your inflammation levels, and even your gut health. Small changes in these signals can create major changes in how your body behaves over time. Stem cells are especially important in this process because they are the body's internal repair system, capable of becoming new skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, and even nerve cells. But with age, their activity decreases not because they disappear, but because the signals that activate them become weaker. Chronic inflammation, poor metabolic health, and disrupted sleep patterns all contribute to this slowdown. However, research suggests that certain lifestyle conditions can temporarily increase stem cell activity and improve regenerative responses. One of the strongest signals is related to fasting or time-restricted eating. When the body goes without food for around 14 to 16 hours, insulin levels drop, fat becomes the primary energy source, and a process called autophagy begins where the body starts cleaning out damaged cells and recycling their components. During this state, growth hormone levels may increase, and cellular repair pathways become more active, creating an internal environment that supports regeneration. Another powerful signal comes from cold exposure. When the body is exposed to cold water, the nervous system releases norepinephrine, a hormone that increases alertness and metabolic activity, while also activating brown fat, which is a special type of fat that burns energy instead of storing it. Some studies suggest that cold exposure may also influence stem cell circulation and immune system response, creating a mild stress signal that encourages adaptation. In addition to this, controlling inflammation plays a major role because high levels of chronic inflammation make it harder for stem cells to function properly and slow down healing processes, while reducing inflammation through better diet, sleep, and lifestyle habits creates a more favorable environment for regeneration. Sleep is another critical factor because most of the body's repair processes occur during deep sleep. When growth hormone peaks, tissue repair accelerates, and the brain clears out waste products, meaning poor sleep can significantly reduce the body's natural ability to recover and regenerate. Gut health also plays an important role because gut bacteria produce compounds like butyrate when you consume fiber and resistant starch, and this compound has been linked in research to improved gut lining health, reduced inflammation, and better metabolic balance, all of which indirectly support the body's regenerative systems. When you look at all of this together, it becomes clear that there is no single switch inside the body, but rather a network of biological signals that determine whether your body is in a state of storage or repair. And when these signals are aligned correctly through consistent lifestyle habits, the body naturally shifts toward a more efficient and regenerative state. This does not mean instant transformation or miracle results, but it does mean that the body responds dynamically to the environment you create for it every single day. Aging is therefore not just a process of decline, but a process heavily influenced by how well your internal signals are maintained over time. And the real question is not whether your body has the ability to regenerate, because it already does, but whether you are providing the right conditions for those systems to activate properly. If you understand this, you begin to see that small daily choices have a much larger impact on long-term health than most people realize, and that is where real change actually begins.